Hi, let's move on to the unboxing video now and look at what's included in the essential kits. The first part I want to cover is an MS ceramic heater essential kit. The part number for this is 5058494 and has a list price of around €1,500, which is still a significant saving over buying the contents of this box individually. Okay, let's dive into what's included. So it comes in a nice essential kit box, so it's nice to have on the shelf. You know where all the parts are going to be, easy to identify. The first item in the kit is a turbo ice spray electrode. There are two of those. Essential for making sure that the ice spray is nice and clean and giving you nice smooth peaks. Second thing in there is a piece of peak tubing. Again, when you're replacing the turbo electrode, it's always good to replace the peak tubing at the same time. We have a tensioning spring for the electrode adjustment within the probe assembly. We have two peak fittings. Again, replacing the fittings to make sure we have a good seal is good maintenance. We have the ferrule for the electrode. Again, this is important to avoid any leaks when you've replaced the electrode tube. There's also an O-ring seal. Again, paramount to reduce the amount of leaks and the interference that you might get from a leaking electrode. And the final part in this kit is a ceramic heater. As we know, there are two turbo heaters on a turbo V-source. And when one turbo heater goes down, you'll start seeing variations in your results. And it's really important to have one of these available. I'm sure you've all seen one before, but there's a ceramic heater. Really easy to change, something that the customer can do quite easily and will really help to minimize downtime. Between the electrode tube and the turbo heater, these are two of the most important parts to have available when it comes to LCMS maintenance on the MS side. These two things are the items that will cause you the maximum amount of unplanned downtime. So having these two parts available, really quick and easy to change, literally 10 minutes. Most people that have done this can do this process in 10 minutes, changing this or changing the electrode, and that'll solve the majority of the problems that you would experience in the lab on an MS system.